Hi everyone. Today we are going to see which programming languages are the best to learn in 2024. These informations and averages taken by famous job websites and with experiences when you are searching a new job about programming on the internet. 1. JavaScript. 2. Python. 3. Java. 4. Swift. 5. Kotlin. Let's start then. JavaScript. 1. Web development front-end. JavaScript is fundamental for creating dynamic and interactive user interfaces on websites, often paired with frameworks like React or Angular. 2. Mobile app development. Technologies like React Native leverage JavaScript for building cross-platform mobile applications, allowing code reuse between iOS and Android. 3. Server-side development. Node.js enables JavaScript on the server side, facilitating the development of scalable and efficient web servers, often implemented with frameworks like Express.js. 4. Data visualization. D3.js harnesses JavaScript's capabilities for creating compelling and interactive data visualizations on the web, essential for conveying complex information. 5. Game development. JavaScript, alongside HTML5 and WebGL, powers browser-based games, with frameworks like Phaser and 3.js simplifying the creation of visually appealing and interactive gaming experiences. Python. 1. Web development backend. Python is widely used for server-side web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask providing efficient tools for building robust and scalable web applications. 2. Data science and machine learning. Python is a dominant language in data science and machine learning, with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn facilitating tasks such as data analysis, modeling, and machine learning. 3. Automation and scripting. Python's simplicity and readability make it a preferred choice for automation and scripting tasks, from system administration to network programming, using libraries like Beautiful Soup and Requests. For artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing (NLP). Python is a go-to language for AI and NLP applications, with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch supporting the development of advanced machine learning models. 5. Scientific computing. Python is widely used in scientific research and computing, with libraries such as SciPy and Matplotlib providing tools for scientific computations, data visualization, and simulation. Java. 1. Enterprise-level application development. Java is a cornerstone for building large-scale, enterprise-level applications. Its platform independence and strong support for multi-threading make it suitable for mission-critical systems. 2. Android app development. Java is a primary language for Android app development, providing the foundation for creating diverse and powerful mobile applications on the Android platform. 3. Web development server-side. Java, with frameworks like Spring and Java Server Faces (JSF), is widely used for server-side web development, offering scalability, security, and robust architecture. 4. Big data processing. Java is employed in big data ecosystems, with tools like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, showcasing its capabilities in processing and analyzing vast amounts of data. 5. Cloud computing. Java is commonly used in cloud computing platforms, providing the backbone for numerous cloud-based services and applications. Its portability and reliability contribute to its prevalence in cloud environments. Swift. 1. iOS app development. Swift is the primary programming language for iOS app development, offering a modern and efficient alternative to Objective-C. It is used to create a wide range of applications for Apple devices. 2. macOS app development. Swift extends its reach to macOS app development, enabling developers to create desktop applications for Apple's operating system. 3. watchOS and tvOS development. Swift is used to build applications for Apple Watch, watchOS, and Apple TV, tvOS, showcasing its versatility across the Apple ecosystem. For server-side development, Vapor. Swift can be used for server-side development with frameworks like Vapor, allowing developers to use the same language for both client and server components of their applications. 5. Machine learning and AI. Swift is increasingly being explored for machine learning and AI applications, with libraries like TensorFlow and Core ML making it easier for developers to integrate machine learning models into Swift-based applications. Kotlin. 1. Android app development. Kotlin is an officially supported language for Android app development, offering concise syntax, enhanced readability, and seamless interoperability with existing Java code. 2. Server-side development. Core. Kotlin is utilized for server-side development, with the Core framework providing a lightweight and asynchronous solution for building web applications and APIs. 3. Cross-platform mobile development. Kotlin multi-platform. Kotlin multi-platform enables developers to share code between Android and iOS platforms, streamlining the development of cross-platform mobile applications. For web development, Spring Boot. Kotlin is increasingly used in web development, especially with the Spring Boot framework, providing a powerful and concise alternative for building scalable and efficient web applications. 5. Data science and analysis. Kotlin is gaining traction in the field of data science, with libraries like Kotlin Statistics providing tools for statistical analysis and data manipulation, making it more versatile beyond its initial mobile development focus. Thanks for watching all the video. See you next time, and we would like to be happy if you subscribe our channel and support us.